Now, I would like to create a graph of the average cases every month that are on this chart. So there's a couple of things I want to show you. So I'm just going to grab this line. Now note there's gaps. So these are all the figures for each month. So if I go Control C and I create a new chart and paste them in, I'm going to get awful problems because it's not liking it. You don't have a reference. I'm right up the top. So the choice that is better is to paste values. So what that does then, so that went kind of fast. So instead of just going paste, I went this one, paste values. So it copies in the result, not the formula. So there we go. And that's a number and you can fix that. Now I'm going to show you how to rewrite each figure as an integer. So in other words, take the decimal point out. It's just equal int and then just go up and then close the bracket and enter. And it just takes out the integers. Okay, I can do that again. Because now I'm fill copying there. I don't care about the zeros. Okay, now average, just put that in there. Now I don't need what's in here now, so I can delete that. Okay, Control Z. See what happened there? So we could do a paste value again. You can pause this and rewind because I used equal int and then used a cell reference. When I deleted the cell reference, so I'm going to copy, but I'm going to paste on top of it. I'm going to paste values on top of it. So I'm going to paste values on top. So it looks like nothing happened, but it did, because when I go click that row and then just hit delete on my keyboard, it's not going to affect these. So I need to delete all those empty columns. I don't want them. So if I just click a column, I can go delete and they bunch up. I can click delete. But I can also do them quicker than that by clicking and then hold down the control key, click, 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 click. I'll just do them so you can see it, and then right click, delete. You see they all bunch up. Click off it so you don't accidentally delete data. We just want the zeros gone because they were just the gaps in the original. Right click, delete. Click so you can see the zeros. Boom. I'm using the control key, remember, and then delete. So I can delete that one. So I kind of get an idea. So if I go March 2020, okay, and then I fill copy, April, May, blah, 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 blah. So fill copy, very useful. Okay, so we just need to delete these ones. Control, click, and I'm using the column headings, the letters there, and then right click delete. So I can carry on with this September, October, November, December, and that's precisely what we had. So another line chart, admittedly, but we're going to create another line chart. And there we go. So do you see when we use the averages, it's not as detailed as when we use every single case. So you get clearer ups and downs there, clearer spikes. We'll take a look at the two. It's also not cumulative, so you can see the spikes. So what are we going to call this? We're going to call this monthly averages. So I want you to try and do that. It's an exercise, and there's a nice another little chart you can add to your portfolio. Now, again, I would prefer this as a move chart and call the chart monthly average cases per month. Okay, And I just think it makes more sense to have the data and then the chart, the data, and then the chart. Okay, there you go.